Electronic Connector Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global electronic connector market size will be $79,658.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America electronic connector market size of $31,863.40 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe electronic connector market size of $23,897.55 million. Asia Pacific electronic connector market size of $18,321.46 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America electronic connector market size of $3,982.93 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa electronic connector market size of $1,593.17 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.